Good morning everyone. In the previous video, I had introduced the chapter The Merchant of Venice and read and discussed page number 156 and 157 along with the meanings, phrases and cross questions. So today I will continue with the reading of the page number 158 and 159, and by the end of this video you will be able to express the story in your own words, meaning of difficult words and phrases, and answers of the related questions. Now let us continue with the reading. Open your book, page number 157.
Meanwhile in Venice, Bassanio borrows 3,000 ducats for 3 months from Shylock, a rich Jewish moneylender. Shylock secretly hates Antonio and forgoes the high rate of interest he usually charges. Now, what do you mean by ducats? Ducats means a gold coin. Now underline the phrase for 3 months and write down 3 महीनों के लिए. Jewish means of Jews. Forgoes means to go before. Now children, let me tell you why Shylock hated Antonio. Antonio was a generous man and he often lent money to people without charging any interest. Whereas Shylock, it was his business to lend money at high rate of interest. He earned money with it. But because of Antonio, if people would go to Antonio, they would not come to Shylock to pay high rate of interest. So therefore, Shylock hated Antonio. But this time, when Bassanio wanted to borrow money, Shylock said that he would give money without charging any interest. But remember, he was not a good man. So there is something wrong going on in his mind. Now let us read further to find out what he had in his mind. Instead, he demands that if the day of payment falls due and the money is not returned, he may cut off 1 pound of flesh from Antonio's body. Now underline the phrase 1 pound of flesh and write down 1 pound mas. Right. Now you have understood what plan he had in his mind. He said he won't charge any interest, but if Bassanio would not be able to return money on time, then Shylock would take 1 pound of Antonio's flesh. And remember, if we are taking skin of a person, the person would die. So you see what a cruel plan he had in his mind. Now let's continue. Antonio agrees on these terms as he is sure that his ships will return a month before the due date. Now underline the phrase before the due date and write down the meaning निश्चित तारीख से पहले. Now children, see what a rash decision does Antonio take. He agrees to this deadly bond. Now let's continue. Lorenzo, a close friend of Antonio and Bassanio, intends to marry Shylock's daughter Jessica. They live together secretly and she disguises herself as a boy while doing so. Now what do you mean by disguises? It means to change the appearance. She also carries a good amount of her father's ducats, which angers Shylock. He decides to take revenge. Now revenge means to avenge, and underline the phrase to take revenge and write down the meaning badla lene ke liye. Now already Shylock hates Antonio and all the Christians because he is a Jew. And now he has got another reason for it. His daughter ran away with the Christian Lorenzo, who is a friend of Antonio. And now this is the second reason for which he would like to take revenge from Antonio.
Then Bassanio and Gratiano leave for Belmont. Portia sends away 2 suitors, the Prince of Morocco and the Prince of Aragon, who chooses the wrong caskets. Now, I have already told you which one is the right casket. The one which contains Portia's portrait. So before Bassanio reached that day only, Portia had already sent away Prince of Aragon and Prince of Morocco as they chose the wrong caskets. Now let's continue. Bassanio chooses the lead casket and it has Portia's portrait. They are overjoyed and decide to marry along with Nerissa and Gratiano, who also want to marry one another. Now Gratiano had also gone to Belmont along with Bassanio. So Gratiano and Nerissa, who was maid and confidant of Portia, fell in love and decided to marry each other. Soon Bassanio received a letter from Antonio bidding him farewell, as his ships have not returned and Shylock will take a pound of his flesh. Bassanio rushes to Venice with the money that Portia gives him to repay Shylock. Now, when they all got married, like Bassanio married Portia and Gratiano married Nerissa, at that time they were merrily congratulating each other when Bassanio received a letter that Shylock had filed a case against Antonio, according to which, as he was not able to repay the money back on time, Shylock could take 1 pound of his flesh, and Antonio's ships had not returned, so he could not get the profit that he thought he would get. So he was not able to pay the debt, and now, as according to the bond that they had signed, he was liable to give 1 pound of his flesh to Shylock. Now let's continue. In Venice, Shylock does not want the money, but insists on taking a pound of Antonio's flesh. Insists means demands. The Duke of Venice presides over the court of justice. Presides means to be in charge of a formal meeting or trial. Now underline the phrase over the court of justice and write down the meaning. न्याय के दरबार पर. Bassanio requests Shylock to take double the amount, but he refuses. So, when Portia came to know about this, that Bassanio's best friend was going to lose his life because Bassanio could not return the money, she was pained. She gave Bassanio a lot of money and told him to go and save his friend. At Venice, Bassanio offered Shylock double the money that they had borrowed, but Shylock denied, saying that he only wanted flesh of Antonio. Why he said so? Because he hated Antonio, as he caused a great loss in his business, and therefore he wanted to kill him. Now come to next paragraph. Then Portia, disguised as a lawyer, enters the court with Nerissa, who is dressed as her law clerk. Now disguised, because they both are girls, right? So they are disguised as men. Moreover, they did not want their husbands to know that they were Portia and Nerissa. They wanted that their husbands Bassanio and Gratiano should think that they are only some advocates or lawyers. So, they came disguised in the court. Let's continue. Portia asked Shylock to be merciful. Merciful means forgiving, but he will not listen. She offers 3 times the money lent, but he refuses. Then she cautions Shylock, cautions means warns and tells someone to be careful, that he can take a pound Antonio's flesh, but not a single drop of blood. Now see children, how Portia turns tables on Shylock. Shylock was very happy because no law could deny giving him a pound of Antonio's flesh, because Antonio had himself signed that bond. But Portia has saved Antonio. How? She said that because in the bond it is written that Shylock could take 1 pound of Antonio's flesh. So, Shylock undoubtedly take 1 pound of Antonio's flesh, but without even single drop of blood coming out, and You all know even if we make a very small cut on skin, blood will come out. So this is how she turns table on Shylock. Now let's continue. Shylock quickly says that he will take triple the amount of the money that had been offered. But Portia refuses. Now, earlier they had offered him and he had refused taking money as he wanted a pound of flesh only. And now when he said he did not, because he had understood he could not cut a pound of flesh without shedding blood, right? So, he had understood that he had lost. So, he had only wanted the money, thrice the money which was offered earlier, and he did not want a pound of flesh. But this time, Portia refused. Now, furthermore, she draws his attention to the fact that Shylock is an alien. Alien means one belonging to another country, in Venice, and tried to seek the life of a citizen of Venice, Antonio. See, now alien means one belonging to another country. Now Shylock was the resident of that country, but he was not born there. He had come from some other Jewish country. So according to the law of Venice, if somebody tried to take life of a man of Venice, he or she will be liable to heavy punishment by the court. So, all his wealth can be divided between that citizen and the public treasury. Treasury means the funds or revenue of a state, institution or society. Now underline the phrase, the public treasury, and write down, Janta ka khazana. So this was one of the punishments, that the full amount that belonged to the person would be given to the person he had tried to kill. So in this case, it is Antonio, and half of it would be given to Jessica and Lorenzo, so that they could spend their life easily. Additionally, Shylock's own life is in danger because of what he had tried to do. And life of that man would lie in the mercy of Duke. If Duke refuses to give punishment, then it is okay. Otherwise, Shylock was in the big problem. Now come to next page. The Duke decides to spare Shylock's life. Spare means to not hurt or destroy someone. At the end of the trial means a lawsuit, Antonio is given half of Shylock's money and the rest of it to the state. See now, this is the decision given by Duke. Antonio gives his share to Shylock's daughter Jessica and her husband Lorenzo. Shylock accepts all the conditions and leaves the court defeated and disheartened. Defeated means to win over. Disheartened means sad. The disguised lawyer Portia and Marissa also leave the court in haste. Haste means hurry. They reach Belmont. So in this paragraph, we have read the decision of the Duke. He decides he'll spare the life of Shylock, but Shylock's half property would go to Antonio and the other half would go to his state. But Antonio, being a good man, decided that he wouldn't take that half of Shylock's property and would rather give it to his daughter and Lorenzo. So Shylock is upset because he has lost the all money, though his life is saved now. Portia and Marissa have to hurry up and have to go back to Belmont before their husbands reach there. Now come to next paragraph. Bassanio, Cristiano and Antonio also reach Belmont and all ends happily. Antonio receives a letter informing him that 3 of his ships have arrived safely in port. So, all are relieved and happy. So by the end, we have read that everybody reaches back to Belmont. They all are happy and Antonio also receives a letter that his ships, which were lost, have come back. So they all live a happy life thereafter. Now children,
After this, you can see there is a paragraph given in this blue box in your book. As you already know that this chapter is a sort of summary of the entire play, but here an important paragraph of this play has been given, which is important for us all to know as well as to follow. This paragraph is about quality of mercy, that you all should be merciful to each other. This paragraph is spoken by Portia to Shylock when she was telling him that he should be merciful to Antonio. Now let us read it. Given below is an excerpt of the speech in which Portia entreats Shylock to show mercy in a Venetian court of justice during Act 4, Scene 1 of the play. Now entreats means to make an earnest request for something. Portia, the quality of mercy is not strained. Strained means forced constraint. It droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven upon the place beneath. It is twice blessed. Blessed means blessed. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes. 'Tis mightiest. In the mightiest, it becomes the throned monarch better than his crown. We do pray for mercy. And that same prayer doth teaches us all to render. Doth means does, render means deliver. The deeds of mercy. Note, the above lines mean that the quality of mercy is not constrained or forced. It drops on the world like the gentle rain does from heaven. It is doubly blessed. It blesses both the giver and the receiver, and it is most powerful when granted by those who hold power over other people. It is more important and worthy to a monarch than his crown. We pray for mercy, and the same prayer teaches us to be merciful. Now children, let us discuss some cross question answers. Who is Shylock? Shylock is a rich, Jewish, cruel and blood-sucking moneylender. How much money does Bassanio borrow and for how many months? Bassanio borrows 3,000 ducats for 3 months. Now why does Shylock hate Antonio? Shylock hates Antonio as he is a Christian. He has spoiled Shylock's business as he does not charge interest on the money he lends. Now what does Shylock demand? Shylock demands that if the money is not returned on the due date, he will take a pound of Antonio's flesh. Why does Antonio agree on these terms? Antonio agrees on these terms because he was sure that his ships will return a month before the due date. Now who was Lorenzo? Lorenzo was a close friend of Antonio and Bassanio. Now how does Jessica disguise herself? Jessica disguises herself as a boy. Now while leaving, what does Jessica carry with her? Jessica carries a good amount of her father's ducats. Now who left for Belmont? Bassanio and Bresciano left for Belmont. Now, whom does Portia reject? Portia rejects Prince of Morocco and Prince of Aragon. Now which casket does Bassanio choose? Bassanio chooses the lead casket. The next one is, what does the lead casket contain? The lead casket contains Portia's portrait. What does Bassanio receive? Bassanio receives a letter. Now, what was the message in that letter? The message in that letter was from Antonio. He was bidding him farewell as his ships had not returned. Now what does Bassanio request Shylock? Bassanio requests Shylock to take double the amount. And the last question is, what does Antonio receive at Belmont? Antonio receives a letter at Belmont telling him that 3 of his ships have arrived safely at Belmont. Now, here the chapter ends. I hope you all understood that chapter.
Children, your homework is to read the chapter again along with the word meanings, phrases and cross question answers. Thank you.